Esther Oppenheimer is a hero in our community. She's passionate about youth. She is a tremendously talented artist. She opens her home to countless community groups. She doesn't project herself as this do-good person. It's just her nature.
Boise State has been a big part of my life. I graduated from Boise High and went directly into Boise State, and I did not know what I wanted to do. And so I saw that as a way to explore options, think about different things. And Boise State offered that opportunity for me at the time. I would say that ceramics are a large part of what I continue to do, but I work with clay in a different way. I call them shards, and I break pieces of clay and put them on slabs of clay and kind of play with that idea of brokenness coming back together, and then put glazes on it and see it evolve in that way.
Esther is a 3-time graduate of Boise State, not only in art, but in counseling for young children.
I think it's essential to be able to experiment with different types of materials and allow a child to do something that comes from within that they can express on a piece of paper or with some clay or Play-Doh or whatever the materials might be. And that's very beneficial in terms of just, I think, integrating ideas and ways of expression to bring it out and then be able to look at it and think about it.
You can really see how her work and her process reflects the values of Boise State. Experiment, use the best materials and of the highest quality. Trust the process, but also allow for mistakes to create the vision that you have. And then have a grace to know that through that process you'll learn things you didn't know before.
I think of Boise State as a place that has definitely provided me with an education that has been invaluable. My first entry into the art department was in the 70s, where there was John Takehara and Dennis Ochi and John Kilmaster and different professors who were very, very impactful and dedicated, and I learned so much from them, not only as a work ethic, but also the joy of making, the joy of creating. And then all along, when I was interested in early childhood, Boise State provided me with what I needed as an education for child development. It's just been a resource for me for many, many years, since my graduation from high school. And I have very much appreciated that.